Our duty is for the truth. Our duty is not for ourselves or for others. Our duty is towards the truth. Truth is God. And we worship God. Means we worship truth. And truth alone triumphs. Satyameva jayate. Whatever is truth is truth. Whatever is untruth is untruth. What is not truth is untruth. What is not untruth is truth. Some of the truths. Everything is constantly changing, and change is the only permanent thing that you have to understand. So you are not worried about any change. If you are worried about any change, you are not yet Buddha.